Welp, I snuck home the railings this weekend, and then go figure they don't fit. She could show up in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, in 10 weeks, we don't know.
I gotta get this entire thing done by Friday. I was supposed to start last Friday, so I'm already behind. I'm hoping we can get this done because I think my job potentially could be on the line. So I got Miss Piggy fired up, ready to go. We're gonna run some CNC files. Hopefully we'll get a carcass done before lunch. I don't know, we'll see. So I built the base for the bottom. We're gonna make the top next, and I wanted to make it fit perfectly. I also wanted to see what our overall height ended up being. We're gonna get into that, rip down some white oak. We'll have a top, and I might still have my job. I'm gonna make the face frames now. Oh wait, no, I think that goes with the truck, with the truck, with the truck, with the truck. I don't remember which one is which. This is why I label things. Okay, so I got my face frame parts cut out, so now I'm just laying it out. Get the little pocket hole jig out, as Sam would say. Slam her together, and we got one face frame out of 2, and then it'll look something kind of like that, I hope. Hopefully this actually doesn't blow out.
Looks like you done messed up, Aaron. 10 3/8?
Yeah, that's 10 1/4.
What's that?
This?
No, you jag off.
This?
Yeah, there.
10 3/8.
Don't think so. You're right.
10 3/8.
This guy. We gotta steal the Alpine so we can make some. Hey, bro!
Gotta make a new one. So John kicked me off the assembly table, so I'm over here, and I don't even...
You just paused me from my own video.
It's for your house, it's for your wife and kid.
Bring the damn kid in.
My order of operations is all over the place because we're all down here. People are hogging things that are needed, even though it's his. I'm gonna put together the upper, and then we're gonna get the upper face frame, and then hopefully start on the doors and the top. Let's do it. Good. Now we're gonna make the top. John loves white oak. He frickin' loves it. I'm gonna use a jigsaw to get it rough cut down, square it up. Just gonna watch me mill some lumber and glue this up, and let's do it. Miscut. Yeah, these are trash. Glue. Where's the glue? Get that camera out of my face. Okay, squirrely squad. Now that the doors and the drawer faces are in glue up, I can work on the drawer boxes. John's away, so I was feeling a little lazy. The top got out of clamps. It's got some high spots, some low spots. It's just gonna be easier to use my baby gal. Let's fire her up. I pretty much hit all my goals for today. I just gotta get these face frames on. We're making a lot of progress, and I think John's gonna be happy. What a day. I'm pretty tired. I think I'm gonna go home now.
I'm pretty tired. Think I'll go home now.
These cabinets are supposed to be installed today, but John and Stan needed help, so called in Big Guns, AKA me. John taught me how to trim. I got the hang off Hank and Duke. So game plan for today. We got cut the top, sand drawer faces and the doors. Gotta get those out of clamps. Drill for the hinges and slides, spray some lacquer. And most importantly, I gotta make a back panel for John. We got a day cut out for us. You'll see. Let's just punch today in the face. It's Friday. Let's get it, boys and girls. Now we're gonna cut down the top. Let's get this pig all cut down and then sand it, and we're making a lot of headway. It's amazing what you can get done when John's not in the shop.
All right, kids, so we're back in the shop and it's time to work on the balusters. I think they're called balusters. But before we do that, I wanna make sure Jordan's not literally lighting my money on fire. Let's see his progress. Hey son, what is this?
This is your bottom entryway cabinet with a bench. So the top goes on here, made out of white oak. Hard edge bands these for you.
That's cute. Soft close.
Yeah.
Great choice.
Only the best for you.
Full overlay drawers. I see you got a little bit squirrely here.
Yeah, I want that to sit flat, so I took the flush trim bit.
And then screwed up. You know, details. Someday you'll get those. And then the top is over there on the floor. Well, nice. It looks slightly above average. Always the goal. Let's go make sparks. So for these balusters, we're gonna go with a horizontal crossbar on the face, so they'll look like this. So we need to build the shapes that will insert and then weld all of these in. I transferred these notes from another notebook because they were easier to read, and I think I forgot a measure point.
We really need to hire someone that knows how to do math.
Got it. 9 to 4. Good thing I can read. Let's cue up a metal cutting montage. So we got this whole thing mocked up, and yes, I am wearing the new Squirrely Squad subscription shirt. Killer design. Great job by the team. Link down below if you're interested. We're doing an exclusive launch of a Squirrely Squad shirt every single month. That only goes to our subscription members. If you want to support the channel, that's how you can do so. Now, let's weld. Close. Did we just say it? Kind of wanted to say it. Welp. I snuck home the railings this weekend, and then go figure they don't fit. So I need to put them back on the truck, take them back to the shop, and then figure out how to change it. They're just a little bit long. They look great, but they're like a little long, so I think if I just trim a bit off. This sucks. I wish I could just weld them in place, but then I'll burn the house down.
Who didn't see this coming? They don't fit. We could cry about it all day, or we could just make it work. John made some notes on how to fix it, so I gotta cut it, grind it down, and re-weld it. Hopefully we don't screw up the other two that we haven't made yet. Let's get to it. I really hope these fit this time because we're just gonna full send it and paint these things black. Jordan, do you think they're gonna fit?
They didn't fit first time, so.
I'm trying to be optimistic here. We're painting them, let us spray!
Everything that's gonna be installed is drying. So we've gotta get this place ready for paint, which means we've gotta do trim, we gotta do some mudding, some touch up, we've gotta degloss, lots to do still. Real quick, while we're in the midst of all of this chaos, I wanna take a second to thank the sponsor on this video, Timberland Pro. If you guys have been following me, you've known I've been rocking the T-Pro for a long time. It's freezing cold outside right now, so me and the boys are super pumped to be able to wear some of their awesome winter garb. They've got these amazing hoodies that I like. Sam likes the double layer, all kinds of awesome stuff out there. If you guys are looking for some high quality workwear, check them out. I got a link down in the description. We're all super grateful to have Timberland Pro supporting this project. Now, let's get back to whatever we've got going on back here.
We are trimming. Glue this together with a little CA glue and some nails. Keep working my way around.
And then we're prepping for paint.
John, do you know what time it is? It's time to prime. It's prime time!
Great joke.
Dude, I don't think this is right. Why is it so watery? Did I just lay it on thick like an asshole?
Yeah, you did. I, for some reason, feel like you're overhandling. So we're ready for paint, trim paint, and wall paint, and that stuff. All of the metal railings are wrapped up, ready to go in. We're gonna test fit them, make sure that we didn't screw up for the third time on the sizing. Hope that the runner shows up today in the door, and maybe the light, and a couple of the other things, because we are literally running out of time. We've got 5.5 weeks, and per what most of you guys are saying, She could show up in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, in 10 weeks, we don't know. On to paint. Watch the cabinet. Jordan, I could feel the distance. It was so tight over there.
All right, place your bets, folks.
Awesome.
Those lines are clean.
Yeah, there's a chance that we can finish this sometime before my daughter arrives. Let's get taped up and ready for paint. One of you knuckleheads didn't clean up after me again. Just so much paint. Dude, this looks so much better than I was expecting. We upgraded this little contractor PC, I think is what it's called, head from Graco for their 395 Ultra contractor sprayer. It's laying down beautifully. I'm incredibly pumped. I just want to paint everything now. Excuse me. Let us spray. And I think that's what we're gonna call it on this one. We've still got a lot to do. Sanding the parts, we got the rug, we've got the front door, we've got more trim, we've got to install Jordan's broken ass box that he built, cut in all the paint, we still have to install the handrails. We got a list.
Next episode, punch list.
Yes, we'll see you there. Like the whole series right here. Let's go.